Want to launch your very own online store today? In this 2-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to start a Shopify store from scratch, even if you have zero experience. First, head over to shopify.com and click Start Free Trial. Enter your email, password, and store name. Boom! Your store dashboard is live. Next, let's make your store look good. Go to Online Store. Themes. Choose a free theme like Dawn to get started. Customize it by adding your logo, colors, and fonts. Click on Products. Add product. Fill in the title, description, images, and price. Add at least 3-5 products to give your store a solid start. Set up payments under Settings, Payments. Shopify supports Stripe, PayPal, and more. Then go to Shipping to add your rates or zones depending on where you deliver. Ready to go live? Just choose a plan and click Remove Password Protection under Preferences. Congratulations! Your Shopify store is live. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.